Welcome to my channel, my name is Little Boy, and today we're gonna do a video a little bit different. I'm gonna bring you behind the scenes here in the studio in Brazil, and I'm gonna show you tips and tricks that maybe you can apply for your next production. First thing you're gonna need is an artist, a person, of course. In my case, put the artist right in the center of this room because I want some depth. We're gonna have more space this way. And we have some nice lighting coming from the back. Just create some contrast and looks very nice in a low aperture like the 1.8 on the 50mm that we're gonna use right now. I add this guitar right here just to give a little contrast, just to give a little something on the back so it doesn't get too plain, too flat, and to add a little texture in the video. We put this light over here to give a little hair light, and this ring light just to give a very nice soft light into the artist. It's very easy. I don't need this huge soft box, but if you have something, cool, good for you. Then we put this blue light over here just to give a little color, give a little mood, and she's gonna be looking into her notes, into her lyrics over here. I just frame in an angle that's not gonna affect or it's not gonna be in the frame. Some people like, some people don't, but in our case the artist doesn't want to show. We're gonna put the camera right here facing this way in the space that we have. This angle is perfect. One, because we're gonna be able to hide this reflection from that light that's gonna bounce over there. The artist is gonna sit right in front of the reflection, and the artist is not gonna be very in the center of the frame. It's just gonna be a little bit on the side, and we can get a little bit of contrast. I would recommend to light up in one side and shoot on the other side, which gives more contrast and is way better, way more professional. Let's see, let's put the camera right in front of me. Doesn't have any contrast. It's more for beauty things, which is not our case. If we put more on the side, it's way nicer. Try to record the shadow side, okay? And I see in a couple of tutorials, workshops, courses online, and they say use the shadow side. So that's another tip for you. Hey, on this other side over here, we had a window. This window was putting a lot of light in our artist face, and that was bad because I want to make sure that we have full control of the light. We started the shoot was what, 2 p.m. and we are here 7:37 p.m. So the light definitely changed from the sun. It's already dark, but if we didn't cover this, all the takes would be different, you know what I mean? So make sure that you have everything under control. In my case, in the studio, so he put this blanket outside. It was a nice diffusion and it wasn't a harsh light in the artist. And make sure that you set a white balance, otherwise it's gonna be switching and changing every time. I guess that's it. Let me know if this video was helpful. If you would like to keep learning, improving your editing skills, just give me a like. Let's see if we can get 25.5 likes again until 2025. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm Little Boy and I'm out. Hey.